Hey YouTube, today is the simplest recipe we have ever done on our channel. We're going to do something that goes all the way back to the 1700s. Listen, our forefathers, they didn't always have meat to cook on the big green egg. Sometimes you had to do what you could find. Let's talk about onions. We're going to do the simplest onion roast you've ever seen, just like you see them. These onions are going to go on this big green egg. We're sitting at about 375, 400 degrees. We might dial it down to 350. But just think about it. Our ancestors, they didn't have thermometers. They had wood stoves. They had campfires. They didn't have aluminum foil or tin foil, as we like to call it in the South. So we're going to simply roast some onions. And this may have been the entire meal they might have had for the day. Some onions and some salt. So if you're vegan or vegetarian, this might be right up your alley. We're going to put these onions on the big green egg or any other grill, and you can do this in your oven at home if you like. Just set your oven for 350. I'm going to estimate maybe 40, 45 minutes. We'll check in on them, and then when we're done, we're just going to pop them right out of these skins. Let's put these onions on, and there's no secret way to place them. Just pop them in the oven, just like you're popping them in a campfire, or maybe you were popping them in a old wood stove. And we're gonna let these roast for about 45 minutes. It's been about 45 minutes and these onions are ready. Check them out. Just like our forefathers would have done on a fire, and they are just little, look at that, they're falling out of the skin. We're gonna throw these in a bowl and let them rest a little bit. But I can tell you already that it looks like they're just gonna pop right out of these skins. Look, can you see this onion? Zoom in on this onion. Let's see what happens if we give it a squeeze. Look at that. Voila. Oh, that's gonna be good. We're gonna throw some salt and butter on that and see what happens. But these are gonna be phenomenal. They're super hot, so get the last little bit of this skin off. Ooh, that's pretty. You know what? I'm gonna go in with some salt, onions, and salt. I gotta give it a try. Actually, it got kind of sweet on the grill. Hey, we're gonna salute our forefathers, our ancestors. If you're a veteran or a police officer of the United States of America, we salute you and thank you. God bless America and God bless you. Thanks for watching.